Welcome, everyone. Let's take a look at the AI capabilities of UpLink, the AI-powered PPC. Magic Find. Magic Find is your engagement-level search assistant. Simply type a question into the search bar, and it will provide ranked answers based on the information shared by your client so far. AI Queries. Our AI query feature is a game changer, designed to extract and interpret information from documents with remarkable speed. Queries can be set up during engagement creation, either manually or through the Excel template, and tailored to your specific needs. If you think of additional questions while reviewing, you can create ad hoc queries on the fly and even promote them across other documents linked to the same request. Automatic document summaries. For requests and review, the platform provides AI-generated document summaries. These are especially useful for long, text-heavy documents, allowing you to quickly assess their relevance and content before diving deeper. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our other videos to learn more. Happy snipping!